If you need assistance with creating a profile on the Outlook desktop client or resolving issues with an existing profile, I will demonstrate various methods for creating a profile on a Windows machine. Hello and welcome to my channel, Modern IT Guru, where IT meets innovation. From troubleshooting tech challenges to diving deep into the latest trends in software, hardware, and all things tech, this channel has you covered. Whether you are an IT enthusiast, a seasoned pro, or just someone curious about how it all works, there's something here for everyone. Hi there, I'm Amit, the creator behind this channel. I'm here to inspire, educate, and entertain while building a vibrant community of curious minds like you. So whether you are here to learn, connect, or simply explore something new, I hope you will feel right at home. So moving on to the topic of this video, which is Microsoft Outlook. Microsoft Outlook is a personal information manager software system from Microsoft. It is available as part of the Microsoft 365 software suites. It is primarily popular as an email client for businesses, but it also includes functions such as calendaring, task managing, contact managing, note-taking, and journal logging. With Outlook on your PC, Mac, or even mobile device, you can organize email to let you focus on the messages that matter most. You can manage and share your calendar to schedule meetings with ease. You can also share files from the cloud so recipients always have the latest version. And the last one, stay connected and productive wherever you are. Assuming you already have an active subscription and Microsoft Office installed, let's jump on to how we can create Outlook profile from scratch using different ways. If you do not have an active subscription, don't worry, I will paste the link in the description or you can click here to visit the page. To begin with, the first method will be to open Outlook from the list of installed softwares on your computer. Assuming you have never opened Outlook and this is the first time you're going to launch Outlook, we will demonstrate the steps required in order to set up your Outlook profile for the first time. In order to do that, I will go on the bottom left-hand side of my screen, click on the Windows icon. You will find the list of softwares installed on your computer on the left-hand side. When we scroll down, you will see all the list of softwares, and what we are looking for is Microsoft Outlook. You will observe that I have Outlook Classic and Outlook New. To begin with, I'll click on Outlook Classic. So when you will open Outlook for the very first time, it will look for accounts within your Windows profile, and if it matches, it will appear right on the screen. So you can see I have my email address already filled in, but do not worry if in case you do not see one there. All you have to do is you have to key in your email address and click connect. Once you will click on connect, Outlook will start adding your account, which will not take more than a minute, and it will appear right on your screen that your account has been successfully added. If in case you have an alternate email address or you have another account which you want to add, you can always fill in your email address right here and click next. So I do not have any email account to be added and click on done. So now you will see that your Outlook will start retrieving your emails from the online version of Outlook. And once it has completed, on the bottom right hand side where it says send and receive and there is a progress bar, it will say Outlook is all up to date. So now it has started synchronizing inbox. Similarly, if in case you have subfolders within your inbox, it will start synchronizing all of them. Method 2 is by using the control panel. So to access control panel, I will click on the Windows icon again. I will look for the installed softwares and scroll all the way at the bottom where I can see Windows System. Under Windows System, you will find Control Panel. Click on it. Once you click on Control Panel, you will see all the computer related settings, which you can adjust as per your needs. What I'm looking for here is Mail. Click on Mail, wherein you have several options. If in case you want to set up email accounts and directories, click on Email Accounts. If in case you want to change settings for the files Outlook uses to store email messages and documents, access data files, what we are here for is profiles. So in order to view the list of profiles which are already configured, I click on Show Profile and you can see that we have Outlook already there. So that was the first profile which we created when we access Outlook for the very first time. So why we need a second profile if in case we already have one? So there might be instances wherein your Outlook profile has gone corrupted or you cannot launch Outlook anymore. So in that case, there might be an issue with the existing Outlook profile. So you need to configure a new one. So what you need to do, you need to click on Add right here and give your profile a meaningful name. In my case, I will name it as Outlook New. I click on OK and it will bring me to the account setup screen, where it will ask you for your email account, your email address, and your password. So in my case, I will type in my name, that is Amit Sharma, my email address, my password, and I'm ready to click on next. When I click on next, it will start searching for my account, and there you go, it found my account. I'm going to click on finish here, and you will see the Outlook New appears right on the screen. So once you have more than one profile on your Outlook, you will have to let your Outlook know which one it is supposed to open when you open up your Outlook. So you have two options, whether you want to be prompted when you launch Outlook or you always use this profile. So if I click on the drop down next to it, I will see that I have two profiles here now. So I can choose the one which I want Outlook to launch when I click on the icon. So in my case, I will click on prompt for a profile to be used and apply and OK. There you go. Now I'm ready to close my control panel. And if I click on the Windows icon and open Microsoft Outlook, you will see it asks me whether you want to choose Outlook or you want to choose the new profile which you have created. So in my case, I will click on Outlook New and click on OK. Once you click on OK, it will start loading Outlook. It will start retrieving your mailbox settings. And there you go. It has launched Outlook successfully. And if you can see right at the bottom, it says it's updating my folders, it's updating my inbox, it's updating my deleted items, and it is connected to the Microsoft Exchange. Method 3. So there is another way by which you can manage your Outlook profile. If you want to create a new profile or if you want to delete an existing profile, you can do it right from your Outlook. So let me just go ahead and click on the Windows icon and I'm going to click on Microsoft Outlook Classic. When you open Outlook, I'll choose my profile and click on OK. So now you can see Outlook on my screen. It's configured and I can see my inbox. Right now, I do not have any emails. So if in case I want to create a new profile, what I will do, I will click on File right on the top left. I will look here for Account Settings. Under Account Settings, either I have an option for Change Profile or I have an option for Manage Profile. So what's the difference between them? So what Change Profile does, when I click on that option, it will prompt me to restart the Outlook. And when you will restart your Outlook the next time, it's going to prompt you for a new profile to be created. Let me show you how it works. So I click on Change Profile. It asks me Outlook will close. You must restart Outlook to choose a different profile. I click on OK. Click on the Windows icon again, click on Outlook Classic. There you go. It asks me whether you want to choose your own profile. I have two profiles listed here, but I can always create a new one. And in order to do that, I can click on Options. If I click on New, it prompts me for a profile name. I can enter my profile name and follow the on-screen instructions to add my new profile or configure my Outlook account again. I will click on Cancel here. I will choose Outlook New and click on OK. So again, I will click on File. Now the next option under Account Settings, I go and click on Manage Profiles. There you go. You have the same mail setup options which you see when you access it right from the control panel. You click on Show Profiles. You have two profiles already configured. You can click on Add and configure a third profile. Moving on to Method 4. So Method 4 is very simple and straightforward. So what Method 4 says is hold down your Shift while starting Outlook to use the profile picker. So in order to do that, what you need to do, you have to click on the Windows icon on the bottom left-hand side of your screen. In the list of installed softwares, scroll down and look for Microsoft Outlook. When you see Microsoft Outlook, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click on Microsoft Outlook Classic. It will bring you to the Choose Profile options, and then you can release your Shift key. So you will see that you have 2 profiles already configured, and if in case you want to have a third profile, you can always click on Options. It will give you more options to click on either delete a profile or go into the properties section of a profile or create a new profile. When you click on new profile, again, it's going to prompt you what you want to name the new profile as. Once you have typed in the name of the new profile, click on OK. It will bring you to the setup screen again, where you can follow the on-screen instructions, enter in your email address, enter in your password, and click on OK. It will configure your Outlook, it will add your account, and the next time when you click on Outlook, it will bring you to a new profile on the screen and it will start downloading all your emails from scratch. So that's it. So those are the 4 methods by which you can create your Outlook profile on your Windows machine very easily, very efficiently. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe, share your thoughts in the comments, and let's create something amazing together.